What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people keep making fake YouTube, Instagram, and Telegram pages acting like me scamming people, and y'all somehow send y'all money to these scammers. I don't know how. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be talking about a place where you can get you a small business loan, startup business loan. All you need is a 625 FICO, make annually $100,000, have a business account, and be in business for a year, and you can get approved with them, right? So today we're gonna be talking about on deck. They're getting people on deck, and today I'm gonna tell y'all how y'all can get on deck. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to get paid. I'm gonna show you how to get these loans. I'm gonna show you how to really, you know what I'm saying, get your business off the ground, because like I said, it's easy to get approved for these loans. You just got to get y'all credit in good standing. I done showed y'all where to go to get y'all credit together. I done showed y'all how to go get y'all credit reports, and the debt on your credit, turn it bad debt to good debt, and trade lines and AU accounts. I done showed y'all everything, but you know, it's cool. We got new subscribers, we got new supporters, we got new followers, we got new watchers. So I'm gonna continue to show y'all that. You never know. This might be somebody first time watching me seeing in this video. So I gotta continue to tell y'all. I gotta continue y'all to give y'all the sauce every video, because like I said, new followers, you might see this video, see the sauce I give you. Click on another video and continue to see the sauce that I give and the information I give, so you can be successful. All right. So first thing you want to do is you want to get your. We're gonna focus on our personal credit, right? Because we got to get that. We're gonna use our personal credit to leverage it towards our business credit, because we not gonna keep getting these bad credit personal loans. Nah, we're not doing that. We finna start getting this business credit together and start getting these high limit loans. So you're gonna get your credit report, go get you an Experian account, pay the $24.99 a month, $25 a month. Boom. Once you got your Experian account, you're gonna be able to see all three of your FICO scores. You're gonna be able to see the debt on your you're gonna be able to see the debt on your credit report. You're gonna be able to see everything that's going on and why your credit score and what it is, right? So once you see everything, right, you're gonna say, okay, boom. And more than likely, if you don't have any credit, nothing going on, then you're not gonna have no credit. So you're gonna have to add trade lines and AUs. You don't have to do no cleaning. But if you got collections and credit cards and just all this bad debt on your credit report, you have to clean that up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You're gonna freeze all three of your credit bureaus. Once you freeze them, you're gonna go back and you're gonna dispute everything. You're gonna start seeing drop-offs in about 15 business days. Once you start seeing drop-offs, then you're gonna start adding trade lines and AUs to your account, however much you can afford. Once you start adding them AUs and trade lines to your account, you're gonna let it marinate. At the same time, make sure you got a business. Anybody out there that got a business that's been in the business for at least a year, and you got a business bank account and checking, cool. But if you just started up a new business, it's not gonna work for you. But there's people out there that have businesses that been up for more than a year, right? So like I said, just start an LLC and let it age. As long as you let it age, it's like, so you start one today, in 3 years. Let's say you started one in 2020, right? Boom. It'll be aged for 3 years if you according on going on today, right? So just start them LLCs and just stop thinking and just start them, and then just, you know what I'm saying, start handling your business. So boom. My bad, I've been making videos for the past month. I ain't been asleep. So long as you got a 625 credit score, and as long as you put them trade lines and everything on your credit report, you're going to be able to get a 625 credit score in at least a month. Easy. Boom. You've been in business for a year, or had an LLC registered for a year, got a business bank account and checking account because you use your EIN number, you'll be good to go. All right, so without further ado, let's check out On Deck Financial Funding, where you can get up to, I think it's like $1 million. But you know, we're not focusing on $1 million. We're only trying to get It's $250,000. We only trying to get at least under 50 or under. All right, so let's check out On Deck and see how you can get approved. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about On Deck. All right, small business lending that's fast and easy. A+ rating, 15 billion in funding. So they got the On Deck line of credit. Use for managing cash flow, such as buying inventory or making payroll. Get a revolving credit line with access to cash when you need it. Loan amounts from $6K to $100,000. 12-month repayment term resets after each withdrawal. All right. Then they got the On Deck term loan. So they got the use for investments in your business, such as expansion projects or large purchases. Get a one-time lump sum of cash up front with the option to apply for more when you're halfway paid down. So once you pay down half the loan, you can apply for get some more money, basically. So you can't beat that. I keep trying to tell y'all that. Loan amounts from $5,000 to $250,000. Repayment terms up to 24 months, 2 years. All right, so applying minutes, no obligations or no hard credit pulls. Begin your application today. A representative will contact you to discuss the next steps if you meet our requirements. So they got the simple process, applying in as little as 10 minutes with funds as soon as the same day, all to save you time. Tailor options, multiple loan types, amounts, and repayment terms so you can get exactly what you need. Real people. We have a large term of loan advisors ready to help. You'll have one dedicated to you. All right, so minimum requirements. So 1 year minimum in time in business, a 625 personal FICO score, $100,000 business annual revenue, business account, bank account, and you good to go. All right, so remember I told y'all to make your own pay stubs, how to generate that business bank account, and y'all be good to go. All right, so check out On Deck funding, get you a 625 personal credit score, and they'll get you together. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's break it down. Break it down now. So let's talk about it now. Everybody out there want to get money. Everybody out there want to make millions. Everybody want to get rich. And the way you're going to do that is business credit. That's how the rich get richer. They don't just save money and work a job. No, they get their credit together. They go to these banks. They get these loans. They know the secret sauce, the sauce that I be giving y'all. They know how to handle their business. They make it happen. They get these loans. They take the money from the loans. They invest into whatever product or business that they're dealing with. They make money off of it. Once they make their money, they pay back the loan, they make their profit, and get another loan. They just continue to get loans. The rich get rich off other people's money, the bank's money. The poor stay poor because they don't get their credit together, which means they can't get loans, which means they can't elevate life, because that's the only way you're going to get the money that you want and need to do what you want and need to succeed in life, all right? So make sure y'all really starting to focus on y'all business credit. Make sure y'all starting to focus. If you don't have an LLC out there, make sure you're starting to figure out what type of business you want to run, what type of profitable business you want to run. Start paying attention to what other people are doing. What are you interested in? What do you know about? What can you sell? What can you provide? All right. Get your LLCs together. Once you got your LLC together and you get your EIN number, then you can start worrying about structuring your business, getting your virtual address, getting your business email, getting your business number, getting a website, getting your Dun & Bradstreet, getting your UEI number, getting your Paydex score, your PayNet score, your business Equifax, getting all Nav account, getting all that together. So once you got all that, then you good to go to start getting business funded. How you gonna do that quick, fast, no hurry? You're gonna start getting you net 30 accounts. That's what accounts that will be reported to your trade line accounts that will be reported to your business credit in 30 days, right? So you got 30 days to pay off them accounts. As long as you pay them back off in 30 days, that's gonna look good on your business funding. You get like $5,000 in net 30 accounts. You pay them off in 30 days. You're gonna damn near be at an 80 payday score in no time, a paynet score in no time. So make sure y'all really tapping into your business credit. Make sure y'all really paying attention. Make sure y'all really focusing on that. Make sure y'all focusing on your personal credit too, because you're gonna use that to leverage to your business credit. Make sure y'all going to them trade line websites that I gave y'all. Trade line supply, Credit Strong, Credit Rent Boost, Self, Incredible, Ava. So many different trade line places that I gave you guys so you guys can add to your credit, boost your credit. I even showed you guys how to clean up your credit so you can those trade lines that you add to your credit will make better sense when you add them, because like I said, you don't want to add trade lines. You got so much going on, it's not going to do too much or nothing, right? So make sure y'all really tapping into these credit gems. Make sure y'all really trying to focus on y'all credit, because anybody can do it. Anything is possible through credit. Once you get the credit down, you can help other people get paid and be successful, all right? So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, old fans, new supporters, old supporters, new subscribers, old subscribers, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons will be $600. You want me to show you how to clean your credit, build your credit, add trade lines, get loans, credit cards, and all that stuff like that, $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so tap into the New Age Credit Repair credit lessons. Also, make sure you get your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. $1,200. Unlimited gems is unlimited gems. It's self-explanatory. You're going to be able to get the CPN information, credit information, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, documents that you need, any method out the method book. So make sure you tapping in on that, all right? Then make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships. You're going to be able to get the mentorships is $2,500. You're going to get all the unlimited gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make passive income together, all right? We're going to make these YouTube automation channels. The same ones I'm doing to make some money, same ones that everybody else on YouTube making to make some money, all right? So we're going to create the channels. It could be one, it can be multiples. Don't matter. As long as you're willing to put in the work and the grind, we're going to make some money, all right? So make sure you tapping in on that. Also, make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500. Meet me in Miami, Florida, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th to the 29th. I will be there or be square. $3,500, 10 seats available, $500 deposit. Rest of the money will be in person. We're gonna be getting to some money. We're gonna get some money. We got music videos, we got blogs to shoot, we're gonna doing interviews with people, all type of stuff. So make sure you tapping in. You might get your chain and watch there. You never know. I might like what you got to offer. So make sure you tapping in with that. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameramen, singers, content creators, all that. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You rapper scene. You want me to check you out. You trying to get your chain, your watch. You trying to make money, real money with this music business. Tap in. Any videographers out there that really go out there and shoot the video, come home and edit the video. You got good editing skills, 4K or better camera, good color grade, good masking, good FX effects, transitions, all that. Tap in with me. Content equals views. Views equals money. The more content we create, the more views we push out, the more money we make. All right, so I'm looking for a solid team to put together, work, make money, elevate, and make it to the top of this money pyramid. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come and get y'all gems. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all go run the followers up on my main IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all run them subscribers up, them likes, them shares, all that on my official YouTube channels. Y'all know what them is, and y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. Oh yeah, make sure you follow me on my Telegram, man. In my community post, you can find that link, and y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.